calling Patrick to tell him a hurricane coming to Jamaica.
Hello? Patrick? Patrick. Not because you hear me a laugh, a serious matter me call about now, Patrick. I get to understand that we're going to have a hurricane heading to Jamaica. The weatherman say is category 5 hurricane. And as you know already, the piece of house not stay good, Patrick. It not stay good. And you are not here to help look about the house. Lie me I tell because you not here? Then Patrick, every day you're there work, you not listen to radio. All you do are there on YouTube and all these things, Instagram and all about over the place. You not listen news, Patrick. Eh? You're not listening news, man. Because if you was listening to the news, you would hear that we're going to have a category 10 hurricane heading full force to Jamaica. I want you to send $2,000 come to fix up the house top, Patrick. Me I tell lie? Then Patrick, you're not confident in me then. Huh? Why you think me would have tell you such a lie, Patrick? Where you forget them they bring the money from? Huh? 5 years now you're there foreign, Patrick. You want to tell me say you're up there waste time? Eh? And don't forget say the back room where your mother live in a town well bad to Patrick. You have to do something. Alright. Listen to me. At Tuesday, the hurricane are come here. Try sending money come tomorrow. Cause today are Monday. I know make me have to call you about it again. Oh.